our factory. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how pears are turned into delicious desserts, step by step.
Dessert production begins immediately after harvest to preserve freshness. Controlled handling is crucial here. As you can see, the forklifts move with precision to prevent any bruising of the fruit. The smooth transfer process is essential to protect the delicate fruit structure from bruising. The smooth transfer process is essential to protect the delicate fruit structure from bruising. Visual screening begins immediately. Workers carefully inspect the fruit, ensuring that only the highest quality pears continue down the line.
Color, size, and surface defects are analyzed digitally. As you can see, strict quality thresholds are enforced at every stage of the sorting process.
Next, the approved pears enter the washing flume, where the steady water flow ensures all dirt and field residue are removed.
The rhythmic brushing and high-pressure water ensure thorough cleaning, preparing the fruit for food-grade processing.
The high-pressure filtered water ensures that all surface contaminants are fully cleared.
As the pears tumble onto the vibrating drain belts, the system ensures all excess moisture is gently shaken loose.
Drying prevents slipping during handling.
Fruit is categorized by size and weight.
Uniform sizing improves dessert consistency.
Environmental conditions are constantly monitored.
Levels remain optimal.
Hygiene is critical before dessert processing.
Peeling prepares pears for dessert use.
The consistent spacing of the pears dramatically improves the cutting accuracy of the next stage in the process. As you can see, cleanliness is maintained at every step. As the final visual checks confirm, our products meet the strictest standards for cleanliness and uniformity.
Control, this is Alpha. All preparation parameters are within specification. Preparation targets met.
The alignment sequence is optimized. Preparation for the cutting stations is nearly complete.
Phase 1 is complete. The pears are now ready to be transformed into desserts.
Stabilization begins immediately to protect texture and flavor.
Precision alignment ensures uniform cuts. The format is precisely controlled. Whether halves, cubes, or wedges, the final shape depends entirely on the dessert recipe.
This gentle transfer prevents bruising, ensuring the quality of the fruit.
Natural oxidation is slowed to preserve color.
Moisture balance is carefully controlled. The surface drying process effectively stabilizes the fruit. For puree-based desserts, smooth bases begin here. Here, the fiber and juice combine naturally. Here, the coarse filtration screens ensure that all large solids are removed, refining the pulp for a perfectly consistent texture. The stabilization tanks utilize slow, rotating paddles to maintain perfect uniformity as the filtered puree is gently churned.
Our temperature-controlled jackets precisely regulate the tanks. This gentle cooling preserves the delicate aroma.
As you can see, monitoring acidity, sugar, and temperature in real time is crucial. This balance is essential for dessert quality.
Clarity is adjusted for final use.
Smoothness is refined without stripping flavor.
As the clarified pear liquid enters the system, the controlled application of heat ensures safety and extends shelf life.
We verify these thermal profiles in real time because ultimately this level of precision protects the taste.
The rapid cooling process is essential as it prevents quality loss and maintains the fresh flavor of the pear liquid.
Structure is locked instantly.
As you can see in this macro view, the separation process prevents clumping, ensuring individually frozen pieces every time.
Automated sampling ports release small quantities for internal checks, ensuring quality is verified continuously.
Stabilized pear products, fresh cut, puree, syrup, and frozen, merge into designated holding lines. Each stream is handled independently.
The system dashboards confirm that stabilization parameters are within specification. All processing targets are met.
Stabilization is complete.
The pears are now ready for core dessert transformation. Consistent positioning improves downstream accuracy.
Moving into the core production hall, this stage is where the stabilized pears are transformed into the finished dessert bases.
Uniform dimensions ensure even cooking and texture.
Our high-speed vision systems scan each pear for color consistency and cut quality. This ensures that visual standards are enforced automatically.
Proved pieces continue forward, while irregular cuts are diverted for reprocessing, ensuring that yield is optimized. As the pear pieces enter the chamber, gentle heat is used to perfectly soften their texture.
Moisture retention preserves natural sweetness. The rapid temperature stabilization is crucial. This chilled airflow prevents the pears from overcooking.
Stabilized pear puree enters the high shear blending tanks. As the blending refines the smoothness, it creates the perfect base for our desserts.
Homogeneity is essential for dessert consistency.
Natural sweeteners and stabilizers are dispensed in precise microdoses, ensuring the balance is carefully controlled.
The pear puree flows smoothly into the creamy base. It is right here that the flavor integrates.
Our gentle, temperature-controlled mixing process is designed specifically to preserve the aroma of these fine ingredients.
Precise layering improves presentation.
As you can see, precise portion control ensures that every product is completely uniform.
Even heat creates consistent structure.
Humidity and temperature sensors continuously monitor the environment, ensuring baking conditions are automatically optimized.
The structure is now finalized, exhibiting beautiful golden tones and a perfectly set texture throughout the pastry.
Gradual cooling prevents cracking. Inside the rapid cooling tunnels, the intensified cold airflow locks in the freshness of every dessert.
As the vision system scans the surface, appearance standards are verified for uniformity and shape.
The core transformation is complete.
Every step is refined to achieve the highest quality.
Dessert production targets have been met.
The products are now ready for filling and packaging.
Packaging begins only after structure and temperature are stabilized.
The surfaces are thoroughly cleared by the air cleaning station before the filling process begins.
Precise positioning in the alignment lanes is essential, as this supports accurate and efficient filling of every container.
As the automated depositors precisely dispense the filling, this strict portion control ensures that every cup has uniform layers.
Controlled flow preserves texture separation.
The finishing elements are added consistently.
As the cups enter the vibration zone, the gentle shaking causes the dessert to settle, removing unwanted air pockets.
Sealing protects freshness.
These advanced barrier films are crucial for extending the shelf life of the products.
Temperature and pressure are precisely balanced.
Rapid cooling stabilizes seals. The correct weight confirms proper filling, as the system verifies each package.
Stabilized pear puree enters the high shear blending tanks. As the blending refines the smoothness, it creates the perfect base for our desserts.
When packages are outside tolerance, they are diverted onto correction lines. Deviations are corrected immediately.
Traceability continues through packaging.
Readability is verified automatically.
This grouping stage prepares the individual units for transport across the globe.
Here, flat cartons are folded and formed by our automated machines, ensuring they are produced exactly when needed.
The cartons are secured for handling.
Carton-level accuracy is confirmed. The packaging flow converges here. Stability and balance are carefully controlled. The wrapping process ensures the load is secured tightly, protecting the products during transport.
Destination and tracking data are assigned automatically, as the labels are precisely applied to the pallet.
Packaging operations are complete.
The products are now prepared for quality checks and distribution.
Every finished dessert is verified before leaving the factory. Each pallet is digitally logged for full traceability. Sampling ensures consistency across large volumes. Once opened, the internal packaging integrity is meticulously examined by our scanning systems.
Our advanced vision systems scan for microscopic imperfections, guaranteeing that the airtight seal preserves maximum freshness.
As you can see, the system verifies all compliance details, including product names, dates, and batch numbers.
Accurate weight confirms correct filling.
Surface temperature scan complete. All cold chain requirements are verified.
Presentation standards are strictly maintained. We scrutinize the color, layering, and consistency of every batch.
Once resealed, the approved cartons are returned to the main flow, continuing their journey toward dispatch.
Deviations are isolated immediately.
waste is minimized whenever possible.
Once quality approved, the certification labels are applied, documenting final approval.
As you can see, the desserts are stored under strictly controlled conditions in this automated facility.
Through automation, warehouse space is optimized, maximizing storage density and efficiency.
Our warehouse management systems update inventory and destination data in real time. This ensures stock movement is continuously monitored.
As you can see, the retrieved pallets travel toward the loading docks. Here, products are prepared for shipment.
Distribution begins on demand.
Once positioned, the locking mechanisms engage, ensuring the loads are fully secured for transit.
With these final checks, the documentation finalizes dispatch, streamlining the entire loading process.
We ensure complete cargo protection. Every product is carefully checked before leaving the factory.
And that's how fresh pears are transformed into delicious desserts, or wides, from start to finish.